Students, see, this is the resume format which I have shared with you all in WhatsApp. There are two formats which I have shared. This is one. Extremely extreme right hand side corner. Now you can see there is a photograph option. So you have to paste a passport size photograph of yours. Next, in place of Olivia Duke, you have to write your name. This is a resume format which is approved by your department. So you can use this resume wherever you are applying for anything like job or maybe for internship for summer training. If you wanted to apply for, you will be requiring a resume. So this is the format of a resume. So and on the top you can see Olivia Duke. You have to write your name. Here it is written Bachelor's of Technology in Mechanical Engineering. So in place of mechanical engineering, you will be writing civil engineering, some downtown university, of course. Then in place of email address, you have to write a formal email address of yours. Do not write any casual email address of yours. You have to give a formal email address. Like an example, if I have to say my formal email address is ronit.chaudhury@hotmail.com. Like this, you have to give a formal email address of yours. Then this is your next is pen. Pen is your PAN card number. Pen is your PAN card number. And next one is your passport number. So PAN card number, passport number is optional. If you want, you can mention there. If you don't want, you can cancel. You remove this one. You can remove that part as well. No problem. Next is your mobile number. So always give your active mobile number where the person can get back to you. That means over the phone call. First is your phone call, and next, if you have a separate number for WhatsApp, you can mention your WhatsApp number as well. Right? Next, see you can see here career objective. This career objective, what you have to do is that you can write of your own. If you have no idea how to write it, you can search in Google career objective for civil engineers. You will be getting so many websites where it is talking about career objective of civil engineers. The best match for you. Anyone which is matching with you, any career objective from internet which is matching with your career objective, you can mention that. You can write it here, but you have to write according to your own needs and according to your own career objective. Understood? Next is your academics. You can see the academics part. In the academics part, first is degree, institute, university board, year, and percentage of CGPA. First, it will be your highest. It is in the format of highest to lowest. It is in the format of highest to lowest. So first you have to mention your BTech, civil engineering, then Assam National University. Under the year of till the time you are not graduated, you do not complete your engineering course. You will be writing pursuing PURSUING and percentage of CGPA. It will be automatically become pursuing. If you want to remove that part, percentage of CGPA, you can do it. Next is your class 12th. You can mention you have to mention your institute code or university name, and then year of passing, then the percentage followed by percentage. Same goes for class 10th as well. Once you are done with this, then you can see accomplished projects. I'm sure you have done projects during your this engineering course. You have to mention all this. You have to provide the details of that. What is the title of your project? Who was the guide for your project? And then project throughput. What is the throughput of your project? Then I'm sure you have not done your summer internship till now. Maybe after this semester you have to do your summer internship. So you have to mention the details of your summer internship out here. Next is your extracurricular activities. your extracurricular activities is almost the same as your vocational qualification. I mean, what are the things, I mean, you are interested in, and I mean, you have done, and you have received any kind of prize, or say example you have awarded for something. You can always mention here. You can always mention there. And next you can see the next page. If you see, there are computer proficiency and other skills. Your software, which are the softwares you are comfortable in programming. If you say, in case you know any programming language, Microsoft Office, what do you know in Microsoft Office? Operating system, what are the operating systems you know how to use it with the laptop or computers. If you are if you are not confident with this, you can remove this part. Computer proficiency and other skills. You can remove this part. No problem. Understood? So now, next part is personal details. When I say personal details, if you want, you can remove this computer proficiency and other skills. Say, suppose if you are not comfortable in providing any information out here. But understand this logic, huh? Whenever you are uploading, you are preparing a resume of yours, or you are introducing yourself. Remember this thing very well. You cannot talk anything negative about yourself. Neither you can write anything negative about yourself in a resume. Do not say no in anywhere in terms of your resume or in your personal introduction. You cannot say negative things about yourself. That's why if someone don't know what is software and anything, programming language you don't know, but rather than writing no, remove this part. Next is your personal details. When it talks about personal details, the first one is father's name, your father's name, then your mother's name, your date of birth, nationality, language known. When it comes to language known, remember language known first it will be globally accepted language. Globally accepted language. What is the globally accepted language? The globally accepted language is English. Once you have written globally accepted language, then next one would be your globally accepted language, then nationally accepted language, that is Hindi. Globally is English, nationally is Hindi, then your mother tongue, and then if you know any other languages, like in my case, I'll be writing English, Hindi, Assamese, sorry, English, Hindi, Bengali, and Assamese. If you know only three languages, English, Hindi, and your mother tongue. If you don't know Hindi, English, and your mother tongue. Hobbies, you can write your hobbies, but make sure you are writing some professional hobbies. Have some professional hobbies. Sleeping, hanging out with friends, shopping, these all are very casual approach. Casual hobbies. You cannot mention those. Understood? So write some good hobbies and professional hobbies. Next is your address. That will be your postal address. That will be your postal address. And whatever you write in the resume, make sure you are writing the genuine one and the correct one. Because at the last, you are giving a declaration that all the above information which you have provided is true and correct to the best of your knowledge. If something goes wrong, since here after date and place, you are giving a signature here. If you are giving wrong information of yours, and if you get caught, then legal actions can be taken against you. Understood, guys?